Now I know what you're thinking. What is that? And how do I get it? This is the Ublives leg massager, and I gotta tell you, it is a fantastic device. If you struggle with sore legs, maybe you work out, you're into exercise, maybe that's not you, but you still just got leg pain, this is an absolute wonderful product that'll provide soothing relief to your legs. Here's how this works. When I turn this on, this is going to start inflating with air, and it's super simple to use. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on here. That leg begins. Turn it on here. That leg begins. And now the comfort starts. I can feel it already immediately filling up in my feet. So it's gonna take just a moment and fill this up and just provide really soothing relief. Something that's great about this is the battery life. There's no cord. You don't have to plug it into a wall nearby because maybe there won't be an outlet nearby. All you do is plug that into a USB-C and charge up the device. This thing will last for 10 days. 10 whole days these things will last. So compared to competitors, which are about 5 days, these last quite a long time. And already I can feel it filling up. So you can see how much that's inflated right there. Oh, that feels good. I really like putting these on without shoes because it does act like a foot massage, which is just a really nice bonus. Also, no apps required. It's not connected to Wi-Fi. You don't need a cell phone to operate it, and you don't have to plug it in anywhere. So it's totally portable. It's basically tech-free in the sense that you don't have to be technologically advanced to use it. Anybody can use this thing. You just take it with you and turn it on. It's really that simple. So right now we're getting to it's got my knees here, and then soon it's gonna fill up my thighs. This is something that I love about this. I do a lot of morning workouts, and by the time evening rolls around, that's the time my legs are starting to feel real sore from the morning workout. Is in the evening I'll feel that. I'll just sit down on my couch or recliner, turn these on, watch a TV show, and then let the massager bring relief to my legs. It's just such a wonderful way to end your day. So you can see right now, that part's blinking. That's my thigh area that's filling up. So here's how this works. We've got a few different things going on here. You can adjust the strength of this. We're at power 3. I like power 3, but you could go as high as 5 or down to 1 if you want. You can also change your timer. You want a 30-minute massage? Done. 10, 20, 30, whatever you want, you can totally do that. And then here we've got different modes. So there's sequence, circulation, and whole, and each does a little bit different thing on the legs. All of them feel great. Let's say you want to get out before it's done. It's so simple. All you do, done. Done. And let's say you don't even want to deflate. All you do is just unzip. Unzip, and you step right out. It's really that simple. Prioritize your well-being with the Hyperbag, the ultimate solution for enhanced recovery, improved circulation, and total body rejuvenation. I also love that I can do this in the comfort of my own home. I don't have to drive to PT or a masseuse, wait in line, pay the money to do all that. I get to do this at home, reading a book, on my favorite chair, watching TV, whatever. It's super simple. And the Ublives has a 90-day money-back guarantee. So if for whatever reason you're not totally satisfied, you just send it back and you get your money. So there's absolutely no risk. Also, for new customers, you get a free Hyperbag to store it in. I highly recommend the Ublives massager. Take the first step towards better recovery and improved circulation with Ublives Hyperbag Compression Boots, your ultimate partner in wellness and rejuvenation. You won't be disappointed.